The CPF Special Account is more than just a savings tool, it's your key to a secure and comfortable retirement. Here's what you need to know to make the most out of your CPF SA. Hi, I'm Fer from Dollar Bureau, a personal finance platform that talks about insurance, investments, and financial planning. Okay, what is the CPF Special Account, also known as your CPF SA? The CPF SA is part of Singapore's CPF system and is designed specifically to help you save for your retirement. Think of it as a dedicated account that helps you grow your future retirement fund through an interest rate that's much better than what you get in a regular savings account. At 4% per annum, that's a solid return on your money, way higher than the interest rate most regular savings accounts offer. However, you can only touch the money in your SA when you're 55 years old. This ensures that you don't dip into it too early and risk your retirement funds. Okay, so before I continue, let me share with you some major changes to the CPF SA that happened in 2025. The first major change is that your SA funds will be transferred into your newly opened retirement account, but only up to the full retirement sum. For example, if the full retirement sum in 2025 is 213,000, that amount gets moved to your RA. This is to make sure that you have enough to fund monthly payouts through your CPF Life. Any extra savings beyond the full retirement sum get moved to your ordinary account, and then your special account is then closed. So the SA kind of serves its purpose until it's time for you to start receiving your retirement benefits. Another change is the option to opt for the Enhanced Retirement Scheme, which gives you a more substantial monthly payout from your CPF Life if you're looking for more financial security. The Enhanced Retirement Scheme is now 4x of your BRS instead of the previous 3x. However, it's entirely up to you if you want to meet the Enhanced Retirement Scheme. With these changes, there are a few different actions you can take with your CPF funds when you turn 55. Here are a few options. Number 1, you can transfer your OA funds to your retirement account. By transferring funds from your OA to your RA, moving that money into an account with a higher interest rate, around 4% versus the OA's 2.5%. Not only does this increase your retirement savings, but it also boosts your CPF Life payouts. Do note that doing this is irreversible, so make sure you don't have any need from your OA account. Number 2, you can keep funds in your OA. If you prefer to have access to your funds, you might want to leave your money in your OA. It still earns a decent interest rate of 2.5%, and you can use it for things like paying for your home or paying for your kids' education. I've covered more about the CPF OA in detail in my previous video, so be sure to check it out. Number 3, you can invest your OA savings. If you're comfortable with a bit of risk, you can invest your OA savings through the CPF Investment Scheme, also known as the CPFIS. There are limited options with what you can invest in, but there are stocks, unit trusts, bonds, and a whole list which could potentially give you higher returns. Though you have to keep in mind that this comes with risk. And since you're nearing retirement, you don't have a long time horizon to play with, so be careful of what you choose to invest in. I'll talk more about the CPFIS in another video, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon to be notified when I release it. Number 4, you can withdraw OA funds and invest them. So if you prefer to have full control of your investments, you can actually withdraw your OA funds and invest them outside the CPFIS system. You might want to look into things like real estate, ETFs, or private equities, but just be sure that the returns will beat the guaranteed 2.5% or 4% interest rates you get with CPF. Similarly, be careful with what you choose to invest in as you have a shorter time horizon before retirement. Now, since the CPF SA gives you a 4% interest rate, many choose to top up their CPF SA for this. Let's talk about whether topping up your CPF special account is a good move for you. So, here's who should and who shouldn't consider topping up. You should consider topping up if you want to meet the Enhanced Retirement Scheme. Meeting the ERS will give you higher CPF payouts, 4x of your BRS or 2x of your FRS. If this is something attractive, you topping up to your ERS is a good idea. The next type of person who should top up are those who are risk averse and prefer steady growth. at 4% per annum with almost no risk, topping up might just be for you. Here's a tip: if you do decide to top up, do it earlier in the year rather than doing it in December. The compounding that you get can make a difference in the interest you earn. Now, you shouldn't top up if you need the liquidity for immediate expenses like housing or education. You can't withdraw any funds that you use to top up, so be sure that you don't need them until you retire. Next, if you think that the 4% interest is too low and you want to invest the extra funds for potentially higher interest, then you shouldn't top up to your CPF SA. Be careful though when investing so that you won't affect your retirement funds. And that's about it for the CPF Special Account. Your CPF SA is a powerful tool for retirement planning, but it is essential to tailor it to your financial goals. Whether it's topping up, investing, or leaving it as is, understanding your options is the first step to making smarter financial decisions. If you want to learn more about how to better use your funds for retirement, we partner with financial advisors who have assisted thousands of Singaporeans with their financial planning. If you are interested to talk to one of our partnered financial advisors, I'll include the link in the description down below. So, which part of the CPF system do you find most challenging to understand? Let me know down in the comments and I'll cover them in a future video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical financial tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.